everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 18th to the 22nd of July 2022 on Monday. Nkosinathi makes a decision that shocks Gladys. Ntokozo plot to deal with Kokoko. Zoto tried to keep Mr. Lebalo away from Sibongile on Tuesday. Nkosinathi explains that resigning is his only option. Gugu breaks up with Ntokozo. Kokoko demands Tati's life in exchange for Mike's Jr. on Wednesday. Tati asked Kokoko to give her 24 hours to decide. Abdul asked Pretty to go away with him to the US. A record Sibongile refuses to testify against Mr. Lebalo on this day. Pumlani's will is read for the Mulefes and the Ndabas. Sibongile testifies against Mr. Lebalo. Nkosinathi prepares to leave Gomora on Friday. Mazet and Sondo are conflicted about whether to take Pumlani's money or not. Sibongile remembers the good things Lebalo did and lies again. Tati treasures their apartment. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.